Prebiotic, probiotic, what does that all mean? Apparently these are sodas right now that are super trendy. They're the next big thing on the market. But do you know what's in them? Don't worry, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly. I can't believe that they actually convinced you guys to drink this stuff. But we're gonna review them. We're gonna do a taste test. We're gonna try them all out. We got a few of them here. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what the secret ingredient is that's so beneficial for you guys to drink that makes this soda healthy for you. And don't worry, I'm gonna tell Kiko what he's drinking too, but only after he drinks them all and rates them 1 through 10.
I don't wanna do this.
Sucks to be you. So I'm gonna let you guys know right now, we're not paid, endorsed, or nothing like that. This is just a true, we see these sodas on the market, you know, the next trendy thing on the market. And their claim is they're prebiotic soda, not probiotic, prebiotic. And it says no fake stuff, no BS, 4 grams of sugar, only 25 calories. Prebiotics for your gut health. Well, what is a prebiotic? A prebiotic is basically something that you ingest that promotes a microbiome in your gut to promote healthy bacteria growing inside of you. In a sense, there's a little bit of bacteria going inside of your stomach and it makes healthy bacteria grow. It also promotes mucus lining in your intestines and stuff like that. Stuff you need. It could help bloating, it could help boost up your metabolism, and help you gain, you know, the feeling of hunger again. But I'm not gonna try these alone. I've had a few, so my reaction's not gonna be as insane. My videographer and editor, Kiko, on the other hand, will be drinking this without knowing, and I'm gonna just tell him at the end, and we're gonna see his reaction. It's gonna be great. How are you feeling? You nervous?
I don't like soda, so this is gonna be interesting.
He did say that he doesn't like soda. I've never seen him drink a soda. So this one is strawberry lemon. I've had it before. I'm gonna tell you out of the 3 that we have, this one is my least favorite. Remember, it's a probiotic, so that means there's bacteria in that, but it's good bacteria. Now, I want to assure you before we start, you're not drinking human flesh.
Okay. Thank God.
Cheers. I think the strawberry overpowers it. But what do you think of the flavor so far? It's healthy for you, so remember that.
I actually like it.
Okay.
It's actually not bad.
Scale of 1 to 10, I give this about a 7.5.
I've never reviewed soda before, so this is probably like a 7.5.
This next one has a little bit more sugar in it. It's 5 grams of sugar, but it's also prebiotic, and this is a grape soda. Now, I'm a huge fan of grape soda. I love grape soda. I'm gonna tell you right now, this actually kind of tastes like grape soda. There's not really much difference. Cheers. Tastes like grape soda.
To an extent.
I like it.
Compared to the other one, that's my least favorite so far.
Wow, we're complete opposites.
That tastes like Diamond That tastes like Diamond.
So I think it tastes like grape soda, but you say it tastes like cough medicine.
I love grape anything. I love grape anything, but that tastes like Diamond. to me.
Do you feel the gut health working? Do you feel
something's working?
Okay. And I replaced soda out of my diet and I put those in. 1, less calories, so awesome for that. Less sugar, less caffeine, so it is healthier for you regardless. The prebiotic is just a bonus. After drinking it for a few days, I started to notice my metabolism has kicked back in a little bit more. So like I've been getting hungry more throughout the day. So we'll see in a few months where I'm at with all that, but will this change your life completely and like make you the super healthy person? Absolutely not. Not if you're eating like shit and you're not exercising or nothing like that. So this can only do so much, but will it promote a healthy gut function? Yeah, absolutely. The last one is Pop Doc. I'm assuming it's either Dr. Pepper or Coca-Cola flavor or something like that. Never tried it. This is brand new for me as well. All right, final one. It's supposed to be Coke, I can tell. It tastes like flat soda. It tastes like a flat Pepsi. Like a Pepsi was just sitting out overnight. 100%. This is what this tastes like.
Yep. No. Give me the strawberry one all day.
Strawberry lemon is your favorite.
Yeah,
I like the grape.
7.5 for me. The grape one, that's probably like a low 4. That was straight up grape.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
And this one?
Maybe a 5.
I'll give that one a 7.5 grape soda. I give this one a 6.2. And then I give the lemon, strawberry lemon, I give that one 5.9. It's not bad, but it's not amazing. You drank all 3. You trusted me. Have you ever had the parasites from the penis of a sponge.
What?
Because that's not what that is.
Okay.
All right.
God, I was about to.
For you guys at home and for Kiko, you have been drinking. Is the anticipation killing you? Find out next week.
Okay.
No, just kidding. You've been drinking apple cider vinegar. That is the prebiotic secret ingredient that makes this healthy for you.
Interesting.
This is just apple cider vinegar with a lot of flavor. And in fact, if you look at the cans, it says it on the can. That's why I didn't let you see the can. So if you look at this bottle of apple cider vinegar, it's organic apple cider vinegar. If you see the bottom, that is called the mother, and that is organic bacteria that grows from the vinegar process. I apologize if that was a little bit underwhelming, but it was amazing watching Kiko sweat it out for the entire episode. But now you guys know exactly what you're buying, what you're ingesting in your body, and how it works. So that's it from us here at Culinary Chaos, or at least until I decide to make Kiko do some other crazy shit in the kitchen. I'll see you guys next week. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the link in bio, turn on the bells for all notifications, never miss an episode of Culinary Chaos, and follow us on all socials so we can hang out more. I miss you guys. But until then, guys, I'll see you on the next episode next week. Love you guys. Later.